Hi guys, my name is Ramprasad. I am saying about the experiment number 4 and in the system software compiler design and the experiment number 4 is single pass assembly for SIC aim to simulate the concept of single pass assembly for simplified instructional computer description. An assembler is a program that accepts as input as an assembly language program source and proceeds produce its machine language equivalent object code along with the information for the loader. And let's see the figure. Advantages of coding in assembly language are provides more control over handling particular hardware components, may generate smaller or more compact executable modules, often results in faster execution and algorithm. And the sample input, the sample is copy start 1000 LDA alpha STA beta alpha reverse 1 beta reserve 1 and optab text STA 23 LDA 00 simtab dot txt symbol tab dot txt alpha 1006 beta 1009 and the sample result should be like this. And let's see the program. Int is equals to open info 41 text read lines of t is equals to optab open optab 4.txt read lines syntab symbol tab is equals to system tab is equals to open system tab 4 txt read lines optab l m n a optab object code per line in op is equals to line dot split op tab update op 0 is to op1 for line in inp. If start is equals to line dot split 2 x is equals to int start 16 and a dot append else a dot append str x2 is to x plus is equals to 3 for line in inp. Line is equals to line dot split if len line is equals to 3 len dot append line 0 m dot append line 1 m dot append line 2 else if len line is equals to 2 l dot append m dot append line 0 n dot append line 1 else m dot append line 0 for I in m. If I is equals to start continue. If I in optab x is equals to string optab I, y is equals to string a I index n m index I. Object code append plus string x plus y. Object op join object code. Length is equals to length object code. X is equals to string x length into 3 1. If x in x is equals to x dot replace x 0 results print h plus 1 0 plus a plus len minus 1 2 is to plus n print t plus a 1 plus x plus object plus n print e plus 0 plus a 1 n. And let's see the input for input copy ST1000 LDA alpha ST beta alpha reverse 1 beta reserve 1 and optab STA23 LDA 00 optab system tab alpha 1006 beta 1009. And let's run the program. And h copy 1000 0c T 1006 001 006 231 009 E 001 000. And thank you guys by watching my video.